Hi, do you want to start your career in automation testing and become a highly paid IT professional? Join the Selenium automation testing course and learn one of the most in-demand skills in the software industry. Selenium professionals are highly preferred by top companies because automation testing helps deliver faster and high-quality software solutions. Freshers in Selenium testing can earn around 4 to 7 LPA, while experienced professionals can achieve packages of 15 LPA or more. This course is perfect for BTech, BCA, MCA, BSc IT students, manual testers, freshers, job seekers, and working professionals who want to build a successful career in software testing and automation. Get live instructor-led training, practical hand-on session, real-time projects, certification guidance, interview preparation, resume building support, and placement assistance from industry expert to become job ready with practical skills companies are actively hiring for. So, if you also want to build a successful career in automation testing and become a skilled IT professional, join Chroma campus today and take the first step toward a high growth career in the software industry.